Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 41 and in this video I will be explain problem 1.3. Calculate the amount of water produced by combustion of 16 gram of methane. Again I say, calculate the amount of water produced by the combustion of the 16 gram of methane. So first we have to write equation. Amount of water produced, that is means product with water, and combustion of the methane. In methane formula is CH4 gas. Okay, and combustion, that is means burning of the methane in the oxygen, in the presence of the oxygen. So 2O2 gas convert into the carbon dioxide and then water. So CH4 plus 2O2 gas convert into the CO2 gas and 2H2O gas. Okay, so first is 16 gram of CH4 correspond to the 1 mole, because here you see carbon 12, hydrogen 1 into 4. So 12 plus 4, 16 gram. So 16 gram of CH4 correspond to 1 mole. Okay. Then above equation, 1 mole of methane gas gives 2 mole of the water molecule. Okay, so 2 mole of the water, that is means 2 into hydrogen 1 into 2 plus 16 atomic mass of oxygen. So 2 plus 16, 18. So 2 into 18, 36 gram. So this is the mass of the water. So 1 mole H2O is equal to 18 gram H2O. So 18 gram H2O divided by 1 mole. So is equal to 1. And 2 mole H2O multiply 18 divided by 1 mole H2O. So 2 into, so 18 gram H2O, so multiply 36 gram water molecule. Okay, clear? Then next question is problem 1.4. How many moles of the methane are required to produce 22 gram of CO2 gas after combustion? How many moles of methane are required to produce 22 gram CO2 after combustion? So according to the chemical equation, methane CH4 gas plus 2O2 oxygen gas convert into the carbon dioxide plus 2H2O. So you already learned combustion reaction, oxidation of the methane, combustion of the methane. So burning of the methane in the presence of the air, oxygen. So CH4 gas plus 2O2 gas convert into the CO2 gas plus 2H2O. Okay, here CH4 mass, see carbon 12 and hydrogen 4. So 16 gram of CH4. Okay, and here carbon dioxide, carbon 12 and then oxygen 16 multiply 2, so 44. So 44 gram CO2 obtained from 16 gram CH4. Okay, so then after number of the CO2 find, so 22 gram of CO2 multiply 1 mole of CO2 divide by 44 gram of CO2. Okay, because we have to find 1 mole CO2. Okay, and 22 gram CO2 given in the question are required to produce 22 gram of CO2. So 22 gram CO2 multiply 1 mole CO2 divide by, and in 1 mole how many? 44 gram CO2. Okay, so calculate, so 0.5 mole CO2 gas. Okay, and then 0.5 mole gas would be obtained from 0.5 mole of CH4 or 0.5 mole of CH4 would be required to produce 22 gram of CO2 gas. Okay, so simple concept is, first you write chemical equation, then you write atomic mass according to the molecular mass. So CH4 mass is 16 gram and CO2 44 gram. So 44 gram CO2 is obtained from 16 gram of CH4. So according to the 1 mole CO2 is obtained from 1 mole of CH4 gas. So number of moles of CO2 gas we have to find by the formula. This is the obtained 22 gram of CO2 produce, multiply in 1 mole CO2 divide by 44. So calculate 0.5 mole CO2. Okay, so 0.5 mole CO2 would be obtained from 0.5 mole CH4. Next topic is reactions in solution. So a majority of the reaction in laboratory are carried out in solution. So it is it is important to understand as how the amount of the substance is expressed when it is present in the solution. So the concentration of the solution or the amount of substance present in its given volume so can be expressed in any of the following ways: mass percent or weight percent, W/W percent. Second one, mole fraction. Third one, molarity, and fourth one, molality. So these four terms we have to consider, and these four terms related from practical. Okay, so reaction in solution. So reaction majorly in laboratory consider, so carried out in solution. So it is important to understand the how the amount of substance is expressed when it is present in the solution. So the concentration of the solution, otherwise amount of the substance present its given volume, so can be expressed in any of the following ways. First is mass percent, second one mole fraction, third is molarity, and fourth one molality. So we have to start. First is mass percent. Mass percent, that is means formula is mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Okay, mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. So this problem based on this topic, mass percent. So 1.6, a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percent of the solute. A solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percent of the solute. So solute is A. So mass percent of the A is equal to mass of A divided by mass of solution multiply 100. Okay, so mass of the A 2 gram given, adding 2 gram of a substance. Mass of a solution divide by 2 gram of A plus water 18 gram multiply 100. Okay, so 2 divided by 20, 2 plus 18, 20 multiply 100. So how much percentage? 10%. Okay, so mass percent of the A 10%, right? Got it? So a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percent of the solid. So mass percent of the A is equal to mass of A divided by mass of solution multiply 100. So mass of A given 2 gram divided by mass of solution water, so 18 gram. So A plus B water. Okay, so A mass 2 gram plus 18 gram of water into 100. So 2 gram divided by 20 gram multiply 100. So 10%. Okay. So first topic is complete, mass percent. Second one, mole fraction. Mole fraction, it is the ratio of the numbers of the moles of a particular component to the total number of moles of the solution. If the substance A dissolve in the substance B, so there of the moles are, we have to write for A we have to write Na, and then for B we have to write moles NB. Okay, so first we have to find mole fraction of A. So is equal to number of N, small n is equal to number of moles of A. Okay, so moles divide by total moles. Okay, so mole fraction of the A, like, so number of moles of A divided by number of moles of solution. So mole fraction of the A formula is number of moles of A. So number of moles of A denoted by small Na. Number of moles of solution, so in solution A and B both, so Na plus Nb. Okay, so similar way mole fraction of B, so is equal to number of moles of B divided by number of moles of solution, that is means Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Third topic is molarity. Okay, so molarity, it is the most widely used unit and is denoted by capital M. Okay, most widely used unit and is denoted by capital M. It is defined, formula is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Clear? Again I say molarity denoted by capital M. So formula of molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. See, so number of moles we have to write small n, divide by volume of solution in liter, so we have to write capital V in bracket liter. Okay, and liter convert into the ml, so multiply 1000. Okay, so this is the obtained for 1 capital M. So we have to 1 M solution of substance, say NaOH. So like we want to prepare 0.2 M solution from it. Okay, so first we have to discuss about 1 M NaOH. 1 M NaOH, that is means molarity of the NaOH 1 M, means 1 mole of NaOH present in 1 liter of the solution. So for 0.2 M solution we require 0.2 mole of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter solution, because here 1 M, right? Okay, here 1 M, so that is means in 1 liter 1 moles of solute required. And here I written 0.2 moles, that is means 0.2 M molarity of the solution 0.2 M, that is means we require 0.2 moles of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter. Okay, so for making 0.2 M solution from 1 M solution, so we have to make that volume of 1 M NaOH solution which contains 0.2 mole of NaOH and dilute the solution with water to 1 liter. Okay, so for making the 0.2 M solution from 1 M, so first we take volume of 1 M NaOH solution which contains 0.2 mole of NaOH and dilute the solution with water to 1 liter. Okay, so how much volume of the concentrate 1 M NaOH solution be taken, which contains 0.2 moles of NaOH, can be calculated this way. Follow. See, if 1 mole is present in 1 liter, that is means 1000 ml. So 0.2 mole is present in it. So see, 1000 divided by 1 mole multiply 0.2, that is means 200 ml solution. So we take 200 ml of 1 mA NaOH are taken and enough water is added to dilute it to make it 1 liter. Understand? See, again I say, by this formula molarity, number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. So molarity denoted by capital M. Okay, so number of moles solute is denoted by small n, and then volume of solution in liters, capital V. Okay, so we have obtained 1 M solution. Okay, but we have to 1 M solution, that is means here number of moles 1 mole. Okay, or volume 1 liter. But we have to require 0.2 M solution. So for 0.2 M solution require 0.2 moles of NaOH. Okay, dissolved in 1 liter solution. So for making the 0.2 M solution from 1 M solution, okay, so first we have to calculate. See, so 0.2 mole is present in it. So 1000 in 1 liter. So 1000 ml divided by 1 mole into 0.2 mole solution. So calculate. So 200 ml solution. So 200 ml of 1 M NaOH are taken and enough water is added to dilute it to make it 1 liter. So for such calculation in general formula, so both see, one side 1 molarity, so M1 V1, and second side M2 V2, because 0.2. Okay, so here capital M and V, capital M molarity and capital V volume, right? So capital M1, that is means 0.2 M, and V1 1000 ml. Capital M2 1 mole molarity, so 1.0 M, and V2 we have to calculate. Okay, so we have put the value M1 0.2, V1 1000 ml is equal to M2 1.0 M into V2 calculated by this formula. Okay, so V2 is equal to cross multiply 0.2 multiplied 1000 divided by 1.0, so 200 liter. Okay, so the number of the moles of solute NaOH was 0.2 in 200 ml. Okay, clear? So number of volumes moles of the solute NaOH was 0.2 in 200 ml. So that is means it has remains the same. So 0.2 even after dilution in 1000 ml, we have changed the just amount of the solvent. Okay, have not done anything with respect to NaOH, but keep in the mind the concentration. Okay, clear? So only for dilute, otherwise it is a similar way. Okay, clear? Problem 1.7. Problem 1.7, based on the molarity, capital M. C. Calculate the molarity of NaOH in the solution prepared by dissolving its 4 gram in enough water to form 250 ml of the solution. Calculate the molarity of the NaOH in the solution prepared by the dissolving its 4 gram in enough water to form 250 ml of the solution. First we have to see molarity, that is means capital M. Okay, so of NaOH, and molarity formula is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. So first we have to see this value given in question or not. Okay, formula first we have to write. Capital M is equal to molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Okay, so number of moles here given 4 gram in enough water, that is means small m given 4 gram, and to form 250 ml of the solution, that is means 250 ml. So convert into the liter. Okay, so 250 divided by 1000, so is equal to 0.250 liter. Okay, so number of moles small n is equal to, formula is you already known, small n is equal to small m capital M. Small m given mass 4 gram, and capital M molecular mass, and NaOH. Okay, NaOH molecular mass, NaOH capital M is equal to Na 23 plus oxygen 16 plus 1, total 40 gram. Okay, so this is the molecular mass. Okay, so number of moles is equal to small n is equal to small m upon capital M, given mass upon molecular mass. Given mass is 4 gram divided by capital M molecular mass of NaOH 40, divide volume of solution in liter. So 250 ml convert into the liter, 0.250. So calculate, so 0.4 capital M. Okay, so molarity of the solution depend upon the temperature, because volume of the solution is temperature dependent. Okay, so molarity directly proportional temperature. Okay, then next topic is fourth, molality. Molality denoted by small m. Molarity denoted by capital M. Here lity. Okay, molarity capital M and molality small m. Okay, only for difference in volume and mass. Okay, molarity W by small n divided by V. Okay, molarity here small n divided by capital V, that is means number of moles divided by volumes of solution in liters. But here molality small n divided by capital W, that is means number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Okay, and their volume of solution in liter, and here given solvent. Okay, and in kg mass given, so small n divided by capital W. Okay, you completely understood. Molarity denoted by capital M and then small n divided by capital V. Okay, and here molality small n is equal to small n, capital W. See the difference. Molarity and molality, right? Okay, number of moles of solute and divide by mass of solvent in kg. Problem 1.8. Problem 1.8 depend on molality. Okay, so problem 1.8 depend on 1.8. Problem 1.8 depend on molality concept. So see this question. The density of 3m solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per milliliter. Calculate the molality of the solution. Okay, so here molality find small m. Okay, so formula first you already known about, small m divide by C, number of moles of solute, and divide by mass of solvent in kg. So see, given density of 3m. Okay, so capital M given 3 mole per liter. Okay, and density given 1.25 gram per milliliter. Okay, clear? So first we have to find here number of moles, and number of moles is equal to small n is equal to small m divided by capital M, and small m given mass we have to find. Okay, so mass, find the mass, we have to see 3 mole here, the density of 3m solution. So we have to find, so capital M is equal to 3 mole per liter. So mass of NaCl in 1 liter solution. So NaCl 23 plus molecular mass plus 35.5, 58.5, and 3m given. Okay, because formula is small n is equal to small m upon capital M. So we have to find small m. Okay, so small m is equal to small n into multiply capital M. So small n, number of moles given 3, and capital M 58.5. So 175.5 gram. Okay, this is the value of the small m. Then 1 liter solution convert into the gram. So 1000 and multiply given density 1.25, because here you see formula is D is equal to density is equal to small m divided by capital V, right? Okay, so density is equal to given 1.25 gram per ml. Okay, so 1 liter convert into the gram. For first multiply 1000, so 1250 gram. Okay, so mass of water in solution 1250 minus in 1 liter of solution mass of the NaCl 175.5 gram. Okay, so minus, so 1074.5 gram. Okay, so this number of moles of the solute given 3 mole divide mass of the solvent. So mass of the solvent 1074.5 gram given. So then calculate, so 2.79 m molality comes. Okay, small m unit for molality. So often in a chemistry laboratory, a solution is a desired concentration is prepared by a diluting solution of non-higher concentration, and higher concentration is known as Stroke solution. Okay, so that the molality of a solution does not change with temperature, since mass remains unaffected with temperature. But what is the difference between molality change with the temperature, but molality does not change with temperature? Okay, again I say the density of the 3m. Okay, so that is means capital M is equal to 3 mole per liter. Okay, so density given 1.25 gram ml. So mass of the NaCl in 1 liter solution 3 multiplied by 58.5. Okay, so 175.5 gram comes. Then in 1 liter solution convert into the gram per ml, multiply by 1000, so convert into the gram, 1250 gram. Okay, and density given. So mass of the water in solution 1250 minus 175.5. So this value come. This is the mass of the solvent in kg. So molality is equal to number of moles of solution, this one, gram multiplied 1000. So this value come 1.0745 kg and convert into the molality 2.79 molality. Okay.